Is pretty much the home screen of the VPN application. It's a very simple VPN application, guys. Nothing hard, you will not understand. So at the top here, you do have the section here. Just pretty much go and select your servers, but you only have two servers available. Two servers alone, guys. So United States, well, basically the same server. So nothing much for that. Very simple. And all you have to do is pretty much turn on your Wi-Fi connection or data plan, and you're good to go. So once you have pretty much selected your United States server, you just want to let it stay on the smart option. There's not on the plus icon here. We'll ask permission to press this. Okay, we can will start connecting in no time. As you can see here, pretty much get connected, and it will ask you to add 30 minutes of connection time, 10 minutes of connection time, as well, not 10 minutes, 15 minutes of connection time. And pretty much after just watch an ad, and you'll be able to get the connection time. So very simple VPN application to use, nothing hard or nothing that you won't understand. And I've reviewed a bunch of these VPN applications. All of them are pretty much the same. Comes with a bunch of United States servers, offers you to watch ad to stay connected. Meaning these down here we have to watch ad to get the connection time, which it's not purely bad, but the concept of you watching ads to stay connected is kind of driven. So yeah, that's really pretty much it. So if you have any problem with the application, you can always comment below and see if we can help you out. See you in the next one.